Have you ever woken up in the morning, feeling more tired than rested? Like you've just slept for 7 or 8 hours, but somehow your body still feels heavy, your mind is foggy, and it's just so hard to get moving? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Fatigue is one of the most common complaints among older adults, and it's not always because of aging itself. In fact, many times it comes down to a few silent habits we've developed over the years, especially in the morning. But here's the good news: today, I'm going to share 3 powerful morning habits that can gently reset your body, support natural energy, and help you feel more refreshed and alive, without caffeine, pills, or crash diets. And as we walk through them, I'll also explain what common morning mistakes to avoid, especially certain foods and drinks that silently rob energy from aging bodies. Let's begin with habit number 1, this one might surprise you. Habit number 1, start your day with rehydration, but the right way. Most of us reach for coffee first thing in the morning, and while a warm cup might feel comforting, it might not be doing what you think it's doing. You see, after 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body wakes up dehydrated. And that dehydration, even mild, can cause fatigue, poor concentration, dizziness, and even joint stiffness. Now, coffee is a mild diuretic. That means it actually pulls water out of your body. So if coffee is the first thing you drink, you may be starting your day even more dehydrated than before. What to do instead? Start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water with a pinch of sea salt. Let me explain why this simple combo works wonders, especially for older adults. Lemon water helps gently wake up your digestive system, supports liver function, and provides a small dose of vitamin C, which supports immune health and energy metabolism. The pinch of sea salt, make sure it's natural sea salt or Himalayan salt, adds trace minerals like magnesium and potassium, which support your muscles and help regulate blood pressure and nerve signals. And most importantly, this combo hydrates your cells deeply and sets the tone for stable energy throughout the day. In a study published in Nutrition Reviews, researchers found that even mild dehydration in older adults was linked to increased fatigue, confusion, and poor physical performance, especially in the morning hours. Rehydrating first thing can dramatically improve both mental alertness and physical function. Now that you've got your body gently rehydrated and your system waking up the natural way, let's talk about breakfast. Because what you eat in those first few hours can either boost your energy, or silently sabotage it for the rest of the day. And sadly, some of the most common, healthy, breakfast choices can actually be part of the problem. Habit number 2, swap the blood sugar crash breakfast. Let's take a moment to talk about cereal. Or toast. Or even fruit juice. These are the foods many of us grew up believing were healthy ways to start the day. But here's the issue, they're all high in refined carbohydrates or sugar. And especially for seniors, that means one thing, a blood sugar spike, followed by a crash. Let me break that down for you. Foods like white toast, cornflakes, sweetened oatmeal, and packaged fruit juices enter your bloodstream very quickly. They cause a rapid rise in blood sugar, which gives you a quick burst of energy. But your body responds by releasing a large amount of insulin, which then leads to a sharp drop in blood sugar. That drop is what causes the mid-morning fatigue, irritability, brain fog, and even shakiness. What to do instead? Eat a protein-rich, fiber-filled breakfast that balances blood sugar and keeps energy steady. Here are some great morning energy foods for older adults. Boiled or scrambled eggs with sautéed spinach or mushrooms. Greek yogurt, unsweetened, with chia seeds, berries, and crushed walnuts. Oats cooked with cinnamon, flaxseed, and a scoop of protein, like almond butter or a spoon of collagen. Or even a small portion of leftover vegetables and chicken from dinner. Don't be afraid to think outside the cereal box. Why this works? Protein helps repair tissues, stabilize blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer. Healthy fats like nuts and seeds support brain health and slow down digestion. And fiber from fruits, seeds, and vegetables helps keep your gut moving and your energy stable. According to a 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition in Gerontology and Geriatrics, older adults who consumed higher protein, lower sugar breakfasts reported better daytime energy, improved cognitive focus, and fewer mood swings compared to those with high-carb, low-protein breakfasts. So, we've hydrated your body. We've stabilized your blood sugar with a smarter breakfast. Now it's time for the third habit, one that affects not just your physical energy, but your mental clarity and emotional balance too. And it's something most people skip completely. Habit number 3, light morning movement, wake up your mitochondria. Here's something that might surprise you. The third and final habit that can dramatically improve your morning energy doesn't involve food or drink. It's movement, but not the kind that exhausts you. We're not talking about long workouts or intense exercise routines. In fact, for older adults, the best energy-boosting movement is gentle, light, and consistent, right after waking up. Let me explain why. As we age, our cells, specifically the mitochondria, which are the energy factories inside every cell, become less efficient. But studies show that light physical activity in the morning helps stimulate those mitochondria, improve circulation, and signal your body to start producing energy more effectively. Think of it like jump-starting a car. A little gentle activity gets the engine running smoothly for the rest of the day. So, what kind of movement works best? 5 to 10 minutes of light morning movement like gentle stretches or yoga poses. Marching in place. Arm circles and shoulder rolls. Slow walking, indoors or outside. Tai Chi or deep breathing with movement. The goal isn't to burn calories, it's to wake up your muscles, get oxygen to your brain, and boost circulation to your joints and organs. If you can, do your morning movement in sunlight. Even 10 minutes of natural morning light helps reset your body's internal clock, your circadian rhythm, which improves daytime alertness and nighttime sleep quality. A 2021 study published in Frontiers in Physiology found that morning movement improved both cognitive alertness and mood in adults over 60, especially when combined with light exposure and hydration. Participants also reported less fatigue and more motivation throughout the day. Keep a yoga mat or chair in a quiet corner of your bedroom or living room. When you wake up, take just 5 minutes to stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, breathe deeply, and move gently. This one habit alone can shift your energy from sluggish to steady in just a few days. Now, before we wrap up, there's one more thing we need to cover. And it's something that silently drains energy even if you're doing the 3 morning habits correctly. I'm talking about common foods that many older adults eat regularly. That might actually be making you feel more tired, foggy, and inflamed. Let's talk about them, and what to eat instead. Common foods that drain energy from aging bodies. As we age, our bodies process certain foods differently. What you could tolerate in your 30s or 40s might now cause inflammation, digestive issues, or blood sugar crashes in your 60s and beyond. Here are 3 common energy-draining foods for seniors to watch out for. 1. Refined carbohydrates. White bread, pastries, sugary cereals, and even low-fat snack bars often spike your blood sugar, only to crash it later. Better alternative, whole grains like oats, quinoa, or whole grain toast with nut butter provide steady fuel and fiber. 2. Fruit juice, even 100% juice. Yes, fruit juice seems healthy, but without the fiber from whole fruit, it's just a glass of concentrated sugar. Better alternative, eat whole fruits like apples, oranges, or berries. You'll get vitamins, fiber, and longer-lasting energy. 3. Processed meats. Things like sausages, bacon, and deli meats can be high in sodium, preservatives, and saturated fats, all of which may increase inflammation and leave you feeling sluggish. Better alternative, opt for lean proteins like eggs, beans, grilled chicken, or plain Greek yogurt. When your body gets the right kind of hydration, nutrition, and gentle movement in the morning, it starts to thrive, not just survive. These small shifts may seem simple, but together, they build a solid foundation for better mornings, stronger energy, and a clearer mind. You don't have to make all the changes at once, just pick one habit, try it for a week, and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share it with a friend or loved one who might also be feeling tired and looking for a better way to start the day. In our next video, we'll explore how to support your energy throughout the day, especially after lunch, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Until next time. Stay well, stay energized, and take good care of yourself.